Okay, let's begin. Chapter 7. Okay, sets and probabilities. Okay, so question number 1 till 10. Write true or false for each statement. Okay, what is this? This means belongs to or element of. Okay, so first one. So read the statement. It says 3 belongs to this set. Okay, is it true or false? And look, allow participants to unmute themselves. Okay, now you can unmute yourself and ask questions. Okay, if you have questions, you can turn on your microphone and ask. Okay, so question 1. 3 belongs to this set. Is it true? No, because we don't have 3 in this set. Therefore, it is false. Number 2. 6 belongs to this set. Is it true? Yes, because we have 3 there. So it is true. Number 3. 9 is not element of this set. Okay? Yes, we don't have 9 here. So the statement is true. Number 4. 3 is not element of this set. Yes, it is true because we don't have 3 here. So the statement is true. Okay, number 5. So these two sets are equal to each other. Is it correct? Yes, because they consist of same elements. For sets, the order doesn't matter. Okay, you can write in any order. So if it consists of same elements, then they are equal. So it is true. 6. Are they equal? No, because of this 0. Okay, on the right side we have 0, element 0, but on the left we don't have. Therefore, they are not equal sets. Therefore, number 6 is false. Number 7. Number 7 is all the whole numbers greater than 7 and less than 10. So that means between 7 and 10 we have 8 and 9. So it is true. Okay, the left side is also same as 8 and 9. Number 8. X is x odd integer, and it is between 6 and 18. Okay, so that means the numbers between 6 and 18, odd numbers, we have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17. So this set is actually equal to this set. Now let's compare this one with the right side one. Okay, so are they equal to each other? Do we have same sets? No, because here we have 13 and on the right side we don't have that. Okay, so that means these two sets are different sets. They are not equal. So the statement is false. Okay, number 9. 0 is element of empty set. Is it true or false? It is false because empty set has no elements. Okay, so I cannot include 0. Number 10. So empty set is element of the set which contains empty set. Okay, on the right side it's like set of sets. Okay, so it is true. Do you have any questions? For exercise from 1 till 10? If no, then we will move to next one. Number 8. 8. X is an odd integer, which is between 6 and 18 here. Okay. So odd numbers here between 6 and 18 we have 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now we compare this one with the right side, okay, with this set. Okay, are they same? No, because on the this set contains 13 also, but on the right side we don't have 13. Okay, so that means they are not equal. So this statement is false, wrong. Okay. So next, I'll open this and move on to next question about subsets. So I have universal set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. A is 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. B 2, 4, 8, 10. C is 4, 8 and 12. D is given to 10 and E is 6. Okay, stop chatting please. Okay, number 11. Okay, so we have to put what? Subset or not subset. Okay, these two signs to make statement true. So number 11. A subset of U. Is it true? Is it subset? So A. So we compare the elements of A. So we have 2 here. Okay. 2. Do we have 2 in U? Yes. 4. Do we have 4 in U? Yes. 6. Do we have 6? Yes. 10. Do we have 10? Yes. 12. Do we have 12? Yes. So all the elements of A is also is element of U. Okay. Therefore, it is subset. But U is not subset of A. Okay, you see there is difference. Okay, you cannot replace them, you cannot change them. U is not subset because not every element of U is also element of A. For example, 8, do we have 8 in A? No. You see, therefore it is not subset. Understand? So number 12, E subset of A. So E is here. We have 6 in E. Is it subset of A? Do we have 6 in A? Yes. Okay, so it is subset. So I will just leave it. A subset of E. Now you take what elements of E. You compare the elements of E. 2. Do we have 2 in E? No. Okay, therefore it is not subset. 14. B with C. Is it subset? So now on the left we have B. So we take elements of B and compare it with C. 2. Do we have 2 in C? We don't have 2. Okay, therefore it is not subset. It's not subset. 15. Empty set is subset of A. Is it true or false? Is it subset? If you attend to the lecture, I showed the properties of subsets. For any set, okay, we have at least 2 subsets. Okay, for any set you have at least two subsets, the empty set and A itself. So here it is correct, it is subset. Number 16. 0, 2 subset of D. Is it true? So 2, do we have 2 in D? Do we have 0 in D? No. Okay, we don't have 0 here. So it is not subset. (17) D is B. So D is here, 2 and 10. Do we have 2 and 10 in B? Yes, we have 2 and 10. Therefore, it is subset. All the elements of D is also element of B. Therefore, it is true. Okay. 18. A, C. So now we take elements of A. Do we have 2 in C? We don't have. So it is not subset. Okay, understand what is subset? What is subset? Do you have any questions? Yes, you can unmute yourself. Okay. 0309.
So there are the same numbers in B or C, for example, it will be subsetted, right?
Again, please.
As if there are two same numbers, for example, in B or C, it will be subsetted. Am I right?
No, subset means, okay, for example, this one. Okay, E subset of A means all the elements of E is also element of B.
Because of 6, yeah?
Yeah, here, yes. All elements of A is also element of B. Therefore, E is subset of A. But A is not subset of B, E, because here you have to compare the elements of A. All the elements of A must be element of E also, but it's not true. Here, for example, we have 2, but we don't have 2 in E. You see? So
Yeah.
not all elements of A is also element of E, therefore it is not subset.
I see
Okay?
now. Understandable.
Okay. Okay, you can unmute yourself. Okay, just switch on your microphone and you can talk. You can ask your question. Okay, then let's move to next about subsets, number of subsets. So I will clean this. (21) There are exactly, oh, I need A. Wait. A, B, C, D. Okay, NA. What is NA? It is number of elements of set A. A set. How many elements? We have 5 elements. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. 5 elements. And B. Number of elements of set B. How many? 4. And C. C has 3 elements. And D has 2 elements. So there are exactly subsets of A. So 21. Number of subsets. How to find? You have special formula like this. Okay, this is the formula. This gives you number of subsets. So 2 power NA is 5. So 2 power 5 is equal to 32. There are 32 subsets of A. 22. There are exactly subsets of B. So 2 power and B. B, how many elements? 4 elements, so it is 16. There are 16 subsets. So easy. 23 is also 2nc. 2 cubed is equal to 8. And 24, 2nd, which is 2 square, is equal to 4. There are 4 subsets of set D. Understand? Now we move to intersection and union. So I will clean this. Okay. I will clean this. So for example, A 2, 5, 7, 10, and B is 5, 3, 0, 7, 18. So what is intersection and what is union? Okay, this is union, this is intersection. Okay. Intersection. A intersection B, sorry, not C, means the elements that that contains in both sets, or you can say common elements. Okay, same elements. Do we have same elements? We have 5 and 7. You see? So the intersection is equal to 5 and 7. Union. What is union? You just copy both sets without repeating same element twice. And for sets, order doesn't matter. So it's like you can copy A first, 2, 5, 7, 10. Then you copy elements of B. 5, we have 5 already, so you don't have to write it twice. You write 3, 0, we don't have 0, I write 0, 7, we have 7 already, okay? You don't write twice, and 18. 0, 0 for intersection, you mean? This one is 10, okay? This one is 0. You cannot take 0, okay? So this is union. Understand what is intersection and union? Now you have to put that sign, okay, intersection or union, to make each statement true. So 25. Which one? If you put union, then it's not equal to this. So it is intersection. If you put intersection, then you take same elements, which is 7 and 9. So you get equal to 7 and 9. You see? So if you put intersection, makes statement true. 26. Here also intersection. Yes. Next. 27. Now it is union. 28. Also union. 29. 29 is intersection. 29 is intersection. Why? Because this one is empty set. Okay, intersection means same elements. Do you have same elements? No, because one of them is empty set. It has no elements. Okay, so if you put intersection, then you get empty set again. And number 30 is union. Okay, and 31, 32. We have same sets, so it doesn't matter. You can put union or intersection. You get same set again. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can put intersection or union because these two are same sets, so you get the same set again. May I clean and move to next question? Clean this part first. Yes, you can. Usually in exam, they ask questions like this one, 35 until 44. Okay, usually you will have exam questions like this one, not the previous ones. Okay, so x is 2. Even in your assignment, you have question like this. Okay, you have to find intersection, union, and complement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And z is 1, 2, 3, 8, and 9. So U, what is U? U is universal set, okay, which contains all other small sets. So 35 should find x intersection with y. So we compare these two sets, x and y. Do we have same elements? Both has 2, 4, and 6. So the intersection is equal to 2, 4, 6. Okay, common elements are 2, 4, and 6. 36. X union y. Now we have to unite them. So what do? You just copy both sets without repeating same element twice. Order doesn't matter, so let's copy x first, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then write down y. 2, we have already. 3, we don't have, I write 3. 4, we have already. And 5 and 6 we have. That's it. Okay. 37. Find complement of x. How to find complement of x? So from u, you take out elements of x. So you take out 2, 4, 6, and 8. So you take out 2, 4, 6, and 8. The rest you just copy it here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That gives you complement of x. Understand? From u, always from u, you take out elements of x. So we delete 2, 4, 6, and 8. So what's left? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 left. 38. Y complement. Complement of y. So again, from u, we take out elements of y now. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we delete 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The rest we just copy it here. That is complement of u. Okay. So that means it's equal to 1, 7, 8, 9. 1, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's find complement of z also. Okay, they didn't ask for that, but let's find complement of z. So from u again, you take out elements of z. So we take out 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. So 8 and 9. So what's left? 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is complement of z. Understand what's complement? Now 37. Sorry, 9. X complement intersection with y complement. So if you have questions, you can turn on your microphone. Okay. Yes. You can unmute yourself. Okay. So x complement is here, y complement is this one. So we have to find the intersection. Do we have same elements? 1, 7, and 9. Okay, so it's equal to 1, 7, and 9. Okay, don't take x when they ask complement of x. Be careful. So x complement with z. So x complement, where is x complement? Here. Z is this one. Okay, so you compare these two, and it is intersection. Do we have same elements? We have 1, 3, 9. Okay, we have 1, 3, 9. So it's equal to 1, 3, and 9. Next, number 41. So find y intersection with x union z. Let's find x union z first. This one is x, this one is z. So you just unite them. Order doesn't matter, so let's copy x first. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we copy elements of z. So 1, do we have 1 here? No. 2, we have already, no need to write it twice. 3, all right, 3. 8, we have already, and 9. Okay, now you can find what? Y intersection with x union z. So now it is between, so x union z is here. Yes, the numbers are given here. Okay, let u, x, y, z. Okay, the numbers will be given in exam. Okay, so x union z is here. Okay, this one. And we have to find, we have y is here. So it's between these two sets. Okay, and we have to find what? The intersection, you see? So common elements. Common elements. Common elements. We have 2. What else? 4. 5 we don't have. 6. And 3 also. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, and 6. That's the answer for question 41. 42. So I have to clean all. Okay, 42. I think I have to clean. Okay, let me clean this 35. So 42. We should find y complement union z first. Okay, this one first, the bracket first. So it's between complement of y here and z is this one. So we have to unite them. So complement of y, let's copy y complement first. 1, 7, 8, 9. Then we copy elements of z. Okay, So 1 we have already, 2, 3, 8, 9 we have. So that's it. Then now we can find x complement intersection with y complement union z. So this one is here and x complement is here. Okay, so it's between these two sets. And we have to find what? Common elements. It is the intersection between them. So common elements are x complement. So 1, 3, so 5 we don't have, 7, 9, 43. Okay, 43 x intersection with complement of y, and we find this one also. Then we will unite them. So x with y complement. So x is here, y complement is here. Now common elements, we have 8, that's it. Okay, only 8. Now z complement and y complement, here z complement and y complement. Do you have same elements? We have only 7. Okay, so it's equal to 7. So let me clean this one and write down the last result. So union. Okay, now you have to unite these two sets. So you just write 7 and 8. That's it. If you don't have same elements, then intersection will be empty set. Okay, you write equal empty set. So 44. Next, we have x intersection with y. We have to find x complement intersection with z. Then we have to unite them. Okay, so first one, x with y. Here x, here y. Intersection, do we have common elements? We have 2, 4, and 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6. So we write 2, 4, 6. Next, x complement, here x complement, z is this one. Do we have same elements? 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. So it's equal to 1, 3, and 9. Now we have to what? Unite them. Okay, you see this union? It's between these two sets. Okay, sorry, the bracket is like this. Okay, so you just unite them. So 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 9. That's it. That's the answer for question 44. Do you have any questions? Otherwise, we will start probabilities. Okay, then let's move on to probabilities. Okay. So that's probabilities, introduction to probabilities. Okay. 7.3. Okay. So what is meant by a fair coin or die? Okay. Clean this. And what is sample space? So for example, one die. Let's take one die. One here, 4 here, here. Okay, for example, we have this single fair die. Okay, fair means, so first of all, sample space. What is sample space? This probably all the possibilities. Okay, if you roll a die, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. This is all the possibilities, all the possible outcomes. Okay, so ns is number of elements. We have 6. So fair means the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 is equal likely. Okay, let's talk about unfair one. So unfair. For example, for unfair one, what they drill a hole. Okay, and here they put some metal. Okay, the heavy one. So when you roll a die, you always get 1. Let's say 6. Once 1. Nobody. So okay, you always get 6. Okay, they drill this hole, they put some metal, so when you roll it, you always get 6. That's unfair one. Understand? The opposite is fair. Okay, so sample space is all the possibilities. Understand? So write a sample space for the experiment. So number 3, a month of a year is chosen for a wedding. So that month could be January, February, and so on, November, or December. Okay, how many? 12 possibilities. Okay, total 12. Number 4, a day in April. So 1, 2, 3 until 30 is selected for bicycle race. Okay, so ns here is equal 30. Okay, 30 possibilities. Number 5, a student is asked how many points she earned on a recent 80-point test. So the maximum value is 80. The minimal value is 0. Okay, she may get 0 also. So ns is equal to 81 because of 0 here. Total number is 81. There are 81 possibilities. So a person is asked number of hours he watched TV yesterday. So it's about 1 day. So maximum is 24 hours. Okay, the minimum is again 0 because maybe there was no electricity yesterday. Okay, so can be 0 also. So ns, number of elements, how many? 25. The management of oil company must decide whether to go ahead with a new oil shale plant or cancel it. So we have 2 possibilities: accept or cancel, or say yes or no. Okay, 2 possible answers. Okay, understand what is sample space? Did you understand? Now let's move to probabilities of single fair die. Okay, this one. I will clean this. So single fair die is rolled. You see, single fair die. So that means you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So ns is equal to 6. Find the probabilities of each event. So number 19, getting a 2. The event is about getting 2. What is the probability of getting 2 when you roll a die? Okay, so you have to find number of elements of set event E. So how many elements? Only 1. What's the formula for probabilities? It's equal NE over NS. Okay, you have to remember this. This is the formula. So we just divide. NE is 1, NS is 6. So if it's about 1 fair die, then denominator always will be 6. So calculator, 1 divided by 6 is approximately 0.17. Okay, there is 17% chance to find to get 2. What about formula you gave second? Should not be find the number of set F E26. 2 power n, you mean? Right? 2n means 2 power n. That is number of subsets. Okay, it's like a number of possibilities. Here, for example, you are rolling single fair die. For die, how many faces we have? We have 6 faces. So if you roll once, you get 6 possibilities. The NS is equal to 6. If you roll 2 dice, then 6 powers 2 will be 36. So you may have 36 possibilities if you roll 2 dice. 2 dice. Okay, this is 1 die. 2 power n, it is about 2 faces. What has 2 faces? For example, coin. If it is about 1 coin, then 2 power 1 is equal to 2. That means you may get head or tail, 2 options. Okay, if it is 2 coins, it's not compulsory to convert it into percentage. Okay, just leave it in decimal form, because usually they ask to find what? Probability. If 2 coins, 2 power 2 gives you 4. So NS will be 4. If you toss 2 coins, there are 4 possibilities. If you toss 3 coins, 2 power 3 is 8. There are 8 possibilities. Understand? This one is number of subsets. We will use it to find NS only. So, okay. So we got PE. Okay, thank you. 20. Getting an odd number. So event is about getting odd number. Which one is odd among this S? So 1, 3 among the elements of S, 1, 3, and 5. So that means number of elements of set F, the event is equal to 3. So PF is equal NF divided by NS. NF is 3 out of 6. So it's 0.5. Okay, 21. Getting a number less than 5. Let's put G. Less than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So PJ is equal NG. Okay, how many elements? We have 4 total, 6. 2 out of 3, 0.67 approximately. 22. Getting a number greater than 2. H is greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, or 6. If you find PH, you get same results. Same with 21. 2 more. 23. Getting 3 or 4. So I is about getting 3 or 4. So pi, how many elements here? 2 elements out of 6. 24. Okay, or if you want, you can write number of elements first, then you can write down the formula, then substitute. Okay, so 24, getting getting any number except 3. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6. Any number except 3. So Pj is equal Nj over Ns. J has how many elements? 5. And S is 6. So 5 divided by 6 gives you 5 divided by 6 is 83, 0.83. Okay, that is the first formula for probabilities. Do you have any questions? Okay, let's move on. Okay, so let me clean this. If you have question, you can switch on your microphone and ask, or use chat. Okay, do not hesitate to ask. So now the problem is about cards. Okay, and here it's again, we are using the first formula again. Okay, NS. Okay, we will use this formula. So cards, how many cards do we have? We have total 52 cards. Red and black, how many? Half of them, 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Then heart, diamond, spade, and club. How many? 13. Then we have face or picture cards. 12 face cards. Okay, which cards has face? Jack, queen, and king has face. Okay, so we have total 12 face cards. Ace, 2, 3 until 10. Jack, queen, king. How many pieces? 4 pieces each. Okay, so you have to remember these numbers. So 25, probability of getting 9. Okay, so here the event is getting 9, 9 heart, 9 diamond, 9 spade, and 9 club. Okay, this one is the event. Okay, how many 9s we have? NE is 4. Therefore, on numerator, we write 4. And S, total how many cards we have? 52. Therefore, we divide it by 52. So that's equal 0.0, maybe 8, I think. 4 divided by 52. Yeah, approximately 0.08. Okay, you see here, I have cards. Okay, you have 4 9s. Okay, therefore, probability of getting 9 is 4 out of 52. 26, probability of getting black card. How many blacks? Okay, no need to list them. So how many blacks do we have? We have 26 black cards. So 26 out of 52, 0.5. Next, 27. A black 9. So probability of getting black 9. So here, actually, we have 4 9s. Okay, but we have 4 9s. 2 of them are red and 2 of them are black. Okay, so black 9 means we have 2 black 9s. Therefore, it is 2 out of 52. Okay, I'm not writing the event. So it's like you can write if you want, you can write the event is 9 black. That means 9 spades or 9 club or 9 spades. You can write like this. Then write NH is equal to 2. Therefore, we divide 2 by NS. NS is 52. Okay? It's equal 0.04 approximately. So 28. Now a heart. Probability of getting hearts. How many hearts we have? 13. Okay. So 13 out of 52 or 0.25. 29. And 9 of hearts. Probability of getting 9 hearts. Okay, 9 hearts. How many 9 hearts we have? Okay, here we have only 1 9 heart. Okay, therefore it is 1 out of 52. 0.02. Then number 30. Probability of getting face cards. How many face cards we have? 12. Jack, Queen, and King. So 12 out of 52. And that's approximately 12 divided by 52 is 0.23. Okay, there is 23% chance to choose to pick face card. Okay, so understand? Do you have any questions? I want to clean this part. Okay. Sorry, one. Probability of getting 2 or queen. Okay, this means or. This means or. 2 or queen. Now we need second formula. Okay, because it's about 2 events now. Now it's about 2 events. So P, E, union F equal PE plus PF minus E intersection F. Now we use this second formula. So it is equal to P2 plus PQ queen minus P2 and Q. Okay, so here I have used second formula. Instead of E and F, we have 2 and Q. So you just substitute. And for each, you can use first formula again. Okay, for each, we can use first formula. So P2. So how many 2's we have? We have 4 2's. Okay, 2. So 2 here. Let me show you. 2 here. And I have 2, 2, 2. Here 2. And I have 2, 2, 2, 2 here. Okay, so I have 4 2's. Okay, here we have 4 2's. Therefore, I write 4 out of 52. Okay, so if it's about cards, denominator always will be 52. If it's about one die, denominator will be 6. If one coin, denominator will be 2. 2 coins, denominator will be 4, and so on. So then queens. How many queens? There are 4 queens also. Minus queen and 2 at the same time. Do you have such card which is 2 and queen at the same time? No. Okay, therefore it is 0. So you write 8 out of 52. And so we don't have the card which is queen and 2 at the same time. Therefore, intersection is empty set 0. That means these two are mutually exclusive events. Okay, we can call them mutually exclusive events. So 32, probability of getting black 7 or red 8. So again we use second formula. So black 7, red 8. So instead of E and F, we substitute these two. Black 7, red 8 minus black 7, red 8. Okay, 8, 8, 8. Do we have 8 here? Okay, we have 8 sevens. How many sevens? 4 sevens. And only, okay, 7 here, 8 here. So 8 is here. Okay. So here we have 4 sevens. Okay, 4 sevens, but it says black 7. How many of them are black? These two are black. Okay, therefore I write 2 out of 52. 2 over 52. 2 blacks. And red 8. Here we have 4 8s, and 2 of them are red. Okay, the diamond and heart. Therefore 2 out of 52. Minus, do you have card which is 7 and 8 at the same time? No. Therefore it is 0 out of 52. So you get 4 over 52. Then you use calculator to find approximate solution. So 3, probability of getting red or 10. Again you use same formula, red plus 10 minus red and 10. Okay, union means or, intersection means and. So red cards, how many red cards? We have 26 red cards out of 52 plus 10. Okay, we have how many? 4 tens. Okay, here 4 tens. So it is 4 out of 52. Minus, do you have card which is red and 10 at the same time? Yes. Okay. Which one? Yeah. These two. They are red and 10 at the same time. So we have 2 red and 10 cards. Okay. Understand? Why we are subtracting it? Why there is minus? Because we are counting these 2 cards twice. When you count red cards, we count this, so we have 26 cards, red cards, including these 2. And when you count tens, again we are writing 4, we are including these 2 again. Okay, that means we are counting these 2 twice. Therefore you have to subtract one of them, so you put minus 2 over 52. So it is 28 over 52. And you use calculator to find the approximate value. So 28 divided by 52 is 54, 0.54. Okay, so I will clean this one and write down number 4. Spade or a king. So probability of getting spade, spade or king. Spade, king, spade, and king at the same time. So spade, how many spades we have? 13. Kings, how many kings we have? We have 4 kings. Where is king? King. Okay, we have 4 kings. Okay, so 4 out of 52. King spade. Do we have king and spade at the same time? So we have here. This one is king and spade. Okay, so we have 1 card. So 16 out of 52. And again, you have to round it. So 16 divided by 52 is 0.31. Okay, do you have any questions? Otherwise, I will clean this and move on. If you have question, you can switch on your microphone and ask. Okay, you just press this sign. Why 1 out of, you mean this one? Okay, it came from this. Okay, here. That is king and spade. Do we have such card which is king, and spade at the same time? Yes, we have only 1 card. Okay, king and also spade. Therefore, it is 1. We have only 1 such cards. Okay, and we're counting this twice. When you count spades and kings, we're counting this twice. Therefore, we subtract 1 of them. Okay. May I clean this? Very clear. Okay. Then I will clean. How to solve example number 30. 30 is face cards. Here we have the numbers already. Okay, face here. This one is face card. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, face cards means queen. Queen, you see, there is face. Jack has face and king has face. For we have 4 kings, 4 queens, and 4 jacks. So total how many? 12 face cards. Okay, 12 picture cards. The rest there is no picture on it. Okay, there is no picture. For ace also you don't have picture. You have just a heart. There is no picture. Only these 3 has pictures. Okay, king, queen, and jack. Therefore, face cards, how many? 12. There are 12 face cards. So number 30, you write 12 out of 52. Okay, 12 divided by 52. Okay, so let me clean this. A jar contains 3 white, 4 orange, 5 yellow, and 8 black marbles. So we have 3 white, 4 orange, 5 yellow, and 8 black marbles. Okay, marble is just ball. Okay, it's ball made of glass. Okay, so total, how many marbles? Total we have 20 marbles. Okay, total 20 marbles. So that means an S is 20. There are 20 possibilities of choosing the marble. Okay, if you choose marble, you have 20 possibilities. So therefore we write ns equal to 20. Question 35. Probability of getting what? White marble. Again, we are using the first formula, Ne over Ns. So Ns, here we have total 20 marbles, therefore I write 20 here. And on the top, we have to write number of what? White marbles. How many white we have? 3. So it is 3 out of 20, or it is 0.15. 36. Orange. How many orange? We have 4 orange. So 4 out of 20. So 0.20. 37. Yellow. How many yellows? 5. 5 out of 20. 0.25. 38. Black. How many blacks? 8. 8 out of 20. 5 times 8, 40. Okay. 39. Probability of getting not black. Which one is not black? The white, orange, and yellow. Okay, these 3. So in total, how many? So 7, 12. There are 12 marbles which are not black. Okay, so 0.60. And last one, orange or yellow. So we use, which one is 9? Okay, here, this 3 is not black. 3 white, 4 orange, 5 yellow. They are not black. So if you add them, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So there are 12 not black marbles. So this one, there is OR. That means you have to use union rule. Orange, how many? 4. Yellows, 5. Oh, the last one, yeah, you get 9. Minus orange and yellow. Do we have such marble which is orange and yellow at the same time? Okay, one marble which is orange and yellow at the same time? No, therefore I write 0. So these 2 is what? Mutually exclusive events. They cannot occur at the same time. So 9 over, sorry, not 52. Sorry. It's 20 marbles. It's about 20 marbles, not cards. Okay, 45. Okay, do you have any questions? So I have 10 more minutes, so let's move on. Okay. So let's move on to next example here. Okay. Here. Let's talk about 2 dice now. So 2 dice are rolled. Okay, so we are rolling 2 dice now. So let's clean this. So 2 dice are rolled. So 6 power 2 is 36. Okay. So if you roll 2 dice, you may get 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1 2 3 2 5 sorry 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 5 1 6 1 5 2 3 6 3. Okay, it's better to list them. Okay, if they ask about 2 dice, it's better to write all the possible outcomes. 5 6. This is S. Okay, sample space, all the possibilities. For example, 6 4 means when you roll 2 dice, first die shows 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second one shows 4. Okay, 6 4 means first die is showing 6, second one is 4. This is first die and second die. Okay, so we have how many total? 36 possibilities. So from this word, 2 dice are rolled, so we make this table. Now find the probabilities of rolling the given sums. Okay, so find the probability of rolling given sums. So number 9A, find the probability of rolling sum is equal to 2. What's the probability of getting rolling 2 dice? The sum must be 2. So we have only one such number, you see? So the event is just 1 1. Okay, so how many elements? We have 1 out of 36. And it's equal to
Чейсит доступное, по-моему, или кошелек. Кошелек.
Okay, then C. Probability of sum is equal to 5. We are still using first formula. PE equal NE over NS. And here the event is sum equal to 5. That means sum equal 5. Which one is sum? Which one sum is 5? Here. Okay, so the event is actually 4 1 3 2 2 3 and 1 4. Okay, this one is the event. So how many elements here? We have 4 elements. Therefore, it is 4 out of 36. Okay, understand? So NS is 36. NE is 4. We have 4 elements here. So 4 out of 36. So let me clean this. 4 out of 36. Okay. We are using first formula. So number 10. 10, 10, 10. 10B. Find the probability of sum equal to 9. So sum equal 9. Which one sum is 9? Here 6 3 5 4 4 5 and 3 6. How many? 4. Have 4 out of 36. Then we have D. Probability of sum is equal to 13. sum equal 13. That means which element? When you add them, you get 13. We don't have such elements. For example, the largest one is 6, 6. When you add them, you get 12. Okay, you don't get 13. Therefore, we don't have such elements. That means 0 out of 36. Next, 11. So 11. Probability of getting sum 9 or more. So that means greater or equal 9. 9 or more. So you include 9 also. Which one is 9? Here is this one is 9, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 36, and more. So you take this part. Okay, under inside this triangle. Okay, all the elements sum gives you the number which is greater than 9. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10. It's greater than 9, so we can take it. 6, 6. Sum is 12. It is greater than 9. Okay, so how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 elements. Which one? Sum is greater than 9. Okay, so it is equal to 10 out of 36. Then again you use calculator. Okay, so 10 divided by 36, 0.28. This was A. B. Probability of sum less than 7. Less, okay, not less or equal. That means you don't include 7. There is no equal sign. So it is strictly less than 7. So you take these ones as well. Okay. You cannot take 6, 1 because sum is 7. It must be less than 7, not equal. So how many? Let's count. So 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 15. So that's equal to 15 out of 6. So let me clean this part. Sum 13. Why 0? Do you have such element? When you add them, you get 13? No, we don't have such elements. Therefore, it is 0. For example, here, the largest one is 6, 6. When you add them, you get 12. Okay? There is no element. When you add them, you get what? 13. Therefore, we put 0. Okay? Okay, next, number 11C. So probability of getting sum between 8 and 5. Exclusive. Exclusive means you exclude 5 and 8. Okay, you don't include 5 and 8. So you don't put equal sign here. If it was inclusive, then you put equal here. So when it's exclusive, you exclude 5 and 8. So that means sum must be 6 or 7. 6 or 7 here. Okay. 7, 7, 7. This one's 6. Okay. So these elements, if you sum them, okay, the sum will be between 5 and 8. So how many? 11. So it's equal 11 out of 36. Okay, number 12. Not more than 5. Sum not more than. Means less or equal. Okay, you put equal also. Not more than 5. So sum less or equal 5. So less or equal 5 is here. So how many? So 4, 7, 10. 10 out of 36. And so on. B not less than 8. So sum is greater or equal 8. Okay, greater or equal 8. 8, 8, 8 here. Okay, so how many? 15. 15 out of 36. 3, 7. You put here 3, here 7. And you count. Okay, do you have any questions? So I want to show 2 more. Okay, then we will stop. Okay, let's show this here. Okay, so these two, then we will stop. Okay. Okay, so let me clean first. So number 13. Probability of first die is 3, or sum is equal to 8. Okay, so this is what? Union rule, the second formula. Do you remember? Instead of E and F, we have these two events. So first 3 plus sum 8 minus first 3 and at the same time sum is 8. Okay, so we are using second formula here. So let me change the color. First die shows 3. First die is 3. Where is first die is 3? Here. 3, 1. You see? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. First die is showing 3. So this row. Okay, this row. So this one is 6 out of 36. Then we have sum equal 8. Sum 8. Which one? Sum is 8. 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, and 2, 6. Okay, how many? 5. 5 out of 36. Then we have last one here. At the same time, first die must be 3 and sum must be 8. So this is it. 3, 5, only one element. First one is 3, and when you add them, you get 8. 3, 5, 1 out of 36. So it is 10 out of 36. Or if you calculate, you get 0.28 approximate. Understand? Last one, 14. Second, okay, second 5, or sum is 10. Again, we use what? Second formula. So it's equal to second 5 sum 10 minus second 5, and at the same time sum 10. Okay, so first one, okay, first one is here. Okay, let me use different color. Second is 5. Here, 2, 1, 5. Okay, this column. Second 5 is this column. Okay, 1, 5, 2, 5. You see, second die is showing 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. So how many? 6 out of 36. Sum is 10. Sum 10 here. Okay. It's a little bit messed up. Okay, sorry. So 6, 4, 5, 5, and 4, 6. This 3 sum is equal to 10. So 3 out of 36. Minus one element we have 5, 5. Okay, 5, 5. Second one is 5 and sum is 10. So it is 1 out of 36. So the answer is 8 over 36. Or it is 0. I think 25, right? Oh, no, 0.22.